The formula for gaining lean muscle mass is simple. Train, eat, sleep, repeat. Yet all too often, people focus on just the gym and the kitchen when it comes to changing their body composition. But the truth is, what happens in your bedroom while you sleep matters just as much, if not more. In fact, new research shows that sleep is more effective at increasing lean muscle because of its role in the rest and recovery stage of training. It's during sleep where the real repair and growth takes place that helps you change your body composition and increase strength once and for all. Now, you might be thinking, but Kelly, I'm a horrible sleeper, so is the opposite happening to my muscles? Well, the answer is a big fat yes. Being sleep deprived encourages the loss of muscle mass and hinders recovery after a tough workout. If you're sleep deprived long enough, it can even lead to weight gain and the countless health issues that arise with obesity. So if you're not seeing the results that you feel like you should be seeing after putting in so much time at the gym, then it's time to take a close look at your sleep. Otherwise, you could just be wasting time every time you go in to get in those extra reps. So how does the sleep and muscle growth process actually work? And what can you do tonight to get those biceps, quads, and calves that you've been dreaming about? Well, that's what I'm here to cover today. My name is Kelly Benson. I'm a performance sleep specialist, and in this video, I'm going to review the latest research that shows just how pivotal sleep is for muscle growth and what you need to know in order to make the most of your time in bed. If you're a bodybuilder, an athlete, a weightlifter, or someone simply just looking to improve their physique, then this video is absolutely for you. To get started, consider what two functions your body needs in order to develop lean muscle. The first is stimulus, and the second is repair. Now, the first phase takes place while you exercise. As you work out your muscles through weight-bearing movements, little microscopic tears develop within the muscle fibers. These tears then lead to damage of the muscle, which is considered the stimulus required for the body to trigger a response. Once the stimulus occurs, your body receives a signal to begin repairing the muscles. The repair stage is when your muscles go through the process of hypertrophy, which involves tissue conditioning and the formation of new muscle matrix. Proper repair requires three things, which are nutrition, hydration, and rest. Now, although some people may feel like they're resting by watching Netflix on the couch, the truth is the only way to really let your body rest is through high-quality sleep. Yet, not all sleep is created equal, especially when it comes to repairing your muscles. To explain, it's time to get a little scientific. So while you sleep, we cycle through 4 stages of sleep every 90 minutes or so. No matter what, it's important that you get all 4 stages for total mind and body repair, but there's only one stage that's hypercritical for muscle growth. That stage is slow wave sleep, otherwise known as deep sleep. This is the last stage of non-REM sleep and takes place right before you begin the dreaming stage of REM sleep. In a healthy sleeper, slow wave sleep comprises of approximately 40% of total sleep time, and the majority of it happens in the first half of the night. During this stage, your blood pressure drops, your breathing becomes deeper, and the activity in your brain slows down. By doing so, the blood supply now becomes more available to your muscles, bringing with it extra oxygen and nutrients that facilitate healing and growth. During slow wave sleep, 2 critical anabolic hormones are released that aid in the reproduction and regeneration of cells. These are testosterone and human growth hormone, or HGH for short, both of which are primarily produced while you sleep and then taper off during the day. Now, these hormones are so important to this conversation, we're going to go a little bit deeper into both of them. First, let's talk about testosterone. Now, testosterone is necessary for what's called protein synthesis, which is what repairs all those little microscopic tears in your muscles from your workout. That way, you're not sore forever. Although your body does produce testosterone during exercise, sleep helps to keep your levels high, and it also provides the longest period of time that your body has between meals to really work at synthesizing. Okay, that's testosterone. Now, the second hormone that you need to be concerned about is human growth hormone, which up to 75% of which is released while you're resting at night. HGH is the primary compound that stimulates tissue growth during hypertrophy. It does this using the amino acids present in the proteins that we eat, which are being synthesized with the help of testosterone. Even one night of sleep loss will cause such a sharp decline in the secretion of HGH, which will not only lead to a loss of muscle, but also a reduction in your exercise capacity. So not only will you not get stronger, but your current exercise abilities will be reduced if you're not getting enough deep sleep. Okay, a third hormone that I'm going to throw on you is another one that actually is catabolic, but is still influenced by your sleep. A catabolic hormone is one that counteracts muscle growth and actually can make your muscles weaker and smaller. The hormone that I'm talking about is cortisol. Cortisol counteracts testosterone, it stops the production of melatonin, and it's most associated with feelings of stress. Getting enough sleep helps to keep your cortisol levels balanced during a 24-hour period, leaving you with enough energy for your training sessions and more opportunity for muscle growth. Sleep deprivation, on the other hand, can increase your cortisol levels by up to 45%, which can interfere with tissue repair and growth, while also leaving you feeling unnecessarily stressed or anxious. Over time, these hormonal imbalances will prevent an athlete from recovering properly and can open the door to a whole host of overtraining injuries. It should also be mentioned that your mental and emotional stability are both important when it comes to training. It is, after all, easier to grind it out at the gym when you're enjoying the process and happy to be there. If you're not getting adequate rest, your mood is going to suffer and you'll be less motivated to work out. Your nervous system will also be drained and unable to handle the stress of a heavy workout, leaving you more likely to hang out on the couch making poor life choices. So not only should you prioritize sleep to grow your muscles, but you should also prioritize sleep so that you're prepared to grow your muscles and actually want to grow them. To prioritize sleep, here's what you need to do. Make sure to get 7 to 9 hours every night. Stick to a schedule 7 days a week. Get to sleep by 10 to increase deep sleep. Reduce stress before bed at all costs. Sleep in a cool and dark environment, and finish your last workout and meal at least a few hours before bed. If you do these things, you're guaranteed to improve your sleep and set yourself up for greater success in the gym. To recap why, when it comes to increasing lean muscle mass, getting consistent, high-quality sleep will do the following. It will increase your body's secretion of the anabolic hormones, testosterone and human growth hormone. It will deliver extra oxygen and nutrients to your body. It will build new cells and replenish torn muscle tissue. And it will decrease the catabolic hormone of cortisol. If you do these things by focusing on your sleep, you will change your body composition, increase muscle mass, recover faster, and be better prepared for your next training session or athletic endeavor. Okay, that's it for now. Again, my name is Kelly. I'm a performance sleep specialist. For more performance-based sleep tips that will take your body and your brain to the next level, be sure to subscribe to our channel below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.